Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to improve battery life on your INFINIX Hot 60i. So first, what you guys need to do is shorten your screen timeout in the settings. So go over to the settings. Now you need to go over to the display and brightness. And right here you need to scroll a bit down until you see display, and here we have the screen timeout. Now my screen timeout is set to 30 minutes because I am recording those videos, but to get the best results to improve your battery life, you can put it at 30 seconds or 15 seconds. Even though we know 15 seconds is better, it's not long enough. If we are using the phone, it will just turn off every 15 seconds. So 30 seconds is the optimal value here. Now, what you guys can do is disable vibrations or haptic feedback by going into sound and vibration right here. So you guys can disable haptic feedback. You can disable it right here. And this will also improve your battery life. What else can you guys do is go over when you scroll down to battery and power saving, and here go over and here change the battery saver from the equilibrium mode. So you guys can enable it right here. Now your phone is saving the battery, and here in the battery health and charging, you guys can check up on your battery health, see the maximum battery capacity. If it's lower than 80, then you should definitely change your battery. And what you guys can do is make sure that AI charging protection is enabled. So your phone will be charged to 80%, then it will slow down and charge the rest of the 20 to save your battery. Now here you guys have the battery usage. You guys can check it here, and if you see any app that has a lot of background activity, for example the Palm Store or let's say High Translate, you guys can restrict it by selecting the intelligent management. So this is how you guys can easily do that, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.